It's hard to imagine that this huge opening was left for a big window. It will be the biggest window in Texas, like in the phrase, the everything bigger in Texas.
The number one thing that we wanted was an indoor-outdoor close to have a seamless transition between the living room and the kitchen area into the outside space. And this was one of the first things that people told us that couldn't be done. So you were the only one that said, like, we will do it.
Since I met my clients on our project Boho Residence and they asked me, can you build for us huge windows, 36 feet long and 14 feet high from floor to ceiling, we started work on this big project. Why these windows so important for my clients? Because they wanted to create design of their house around this area, around these windows. Windows is a tunnel that connect internal part of house and external part of house, and you can see all this panoramic beautiful hillside view through the windows. You can open the windows and just sit inside and feel like you sit outside. These huge windows, these big windows, was the main idea of Casa de Corgi. After they asked me, I check with couple companies, can we do it or not, and say, yes, we can do it. But it's kind of process. It's not easy to make windows 36 feet long and 14 feet high. And we started to work on the design. I asked my clients how they want to split the windows, and we decided, okay, 4 sections will be good for them. During the design process, I have a lot of conversation with manufacturers, and they advised me how we can do it. And we split all these big windows for 4 sections. My clients wanted to get automatic windows that they can manage from application or from remote control, doesn't matter. But it's impossible to make 4 sections automatic. At least one section should stay fixed or it can open manually. That's why in our big windows we have 4 sections, 3 sections open automatically and 1 section open manually. After we agree all combination, how it will work together, what the system we can use for application and how it will be drained installed in the windows, I started to looking for a company that can do so huge window. I discussed with couple manufacturers and got prices, and I choose one manufacturer that will assemble it for us. But it's not means that only one manufacturer in one country was involved in this process. The 5 crews from 5 countries were involved in this process. Let me explain why. We have to find right profile that will work with these huge windows. And in this case, we choose the profile from Greece. It's a brand Alumil. And they said, okay, these huge windows can work with this profile, with this frame. It was first country from Greece. This is a big international country that creates special, unique profiles to big windows. The Alumil can create the frame for these huge windows that threshold will not go up. It will be flat with the flooring. That's why we have to put the bottom part of windows down just to get it flat with flooring. And not all of the company can create the profile like that, but Alumil, it's very big international brand. They agreed to make this size of windows for us. Second, it was Italian company that created for us motors and all automatic part of windows. And we were waiting like 3 months from Italy, the motors and automatic system for these windows. Third, it was Turkey company that assembled all windows for us, and they assembled it on their manufacturer and sent us video how this door is working. After we've got these windows and we will install next week, we have to invite electrician, and electrician will connect all motors for all system, and smart home will manage also this automatic part. That's why our electrician is licensed electrician from United States. And last crew, but not least, it's Ukrainian crew that have experience how to install so big windows, and they will start the process next week. Any outdoor windows or slider doors has to have drain channel on the front of windows, because we have outdoor patio, and if rain go into this patio or condensation water go down, we have to redirect water and drain water to the sides, because water cannot stay on the patio. It will go to the inside of house. That's why we had to create this niche, special niche, to prepare for drain channel. This drain channel was created in Turkey from metal. It's galvanized galvanized metal. It's have special shape. This is a drain channel. Here will be installed frame profile for window. Tomorrow, our guys install this part inside of this created niche, and after that we can start assembling of main frame and rails for panels, for those big 4 panels. Behind of me, panels, it's 4 panels here. And can you imagine the size? Every panel here has the size like 9 feet. But if you turn it, we will have 14 feet high. What's the challenge we've got also with these huge panels? Because containers is usually 2.5 meters. It's approximately 8 feet high. This panel, 9 feet. We cannot put directly to the container, even if you put it on the side. That's why we have to upload the windows with a little bit like in diagonal. Those panels are very heavy. It's like 1,100 pounds weight each panel. And it's impossible to upload to the container directly by hand. We have to use special vacuum manipulators that can just catch it, hold it, and put to the container. On the Turkey side, when on the manufacturer, they have this special equipment. In United States, in Austin, it was so complicated to find same equipment. It was big challenge. Everybody scared. Nobody wants to do it. And I was here. I managed the process. We unloaded windows. Our clients were here. They took video. They were very excited that we've got this big windows on the side. Uploading, delivery, manufacturer, design is one thing, but other thing how we will install it, and we will do it next week. When you work on so big windows, you have to involve your structural engineer, because above the windows we have to have header. It's any of wood header can hold so big size, 36 feet length. That's why a structural engineer has to prepare design for you, how these windows will be installed inside of opening. In our case, we have a columns 5.5 inch to 5.5 inch. Those columns on both sides hold I-beam, and this I-beam connected with other column, and it gives us a possibility to install to this opening so big windows with no pressure, because a lot of pressure from top go to the windows. That's why it should be like independent from the main frame, steel frame. Structural engineer, he came to the site, he shows the design, we discussed with him how we want to install it. I gave him specification of windows, and he created design based on the specification, based on the size, and based on the other structural parts of this house. And you can see all of this outdoor patio is a steel frame structural part.